starting wildlife videography. By we inspired by ಯಾರದ ಇದು Bear Grylls. He's the most adventure tourist.
Emotional damage.
Adventure. And Manu Anna, hi, Manu bro and me go to and yes, this is a new suspense dari idondu ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. We hunting for the ಕೌಳಿಕಾಯಿ. We hunted. Finally we hunted the ಕೌಳಿಕಾಯಿ. Yeah, tell us, come on. Look at this. Wow, beautiful greenery. Wow.
Give me the car, bro.
Yeah, come on, yes.
Give me the car, bro.
Okay, sorry, bro. Sorry, take it. Yeah, this one is beautiful. This is a black one.
Oh, black one is a
tasteful. Yeah, this is a very tasteful. Okay. There, no. Where is? Okay.
This is not kai, bro. This is hannu.
What is, bro?
Hannu.
Okay.
Take this and take the
delicious taste of this fruit. This is a beautiful fruit. That's called what is that called, bro? Kaulihan, bro. This is beautiful. Fantastic. How is the taste, bro? Hulisi, bro. How beautiful. And then I taste this Kaulihan. Huli. Wow. Full huli. We thoroughly collect all fruits of this branches of trees. The weather is very hot, the 64 degrees Celsius in this region. Yeah. This tree is also Sansan Mulch. It's pitching. Yes. This very sharp, very sharp. Look at this. Oh, big one. Big mulch. He's twitching. Uri. Yeah, look at this. Wow, beautiful. What a beautiful. Yeah, look at that. He's bleeding.
Oh no, not. I'm not bleeding.
Just scratch. Yeah. This is a little bit of scratch in his hand. And okay. This is a big forest. No one can leave this forest. Then 50 kilometers surrounding. No one can leave. That bike is my client. Sorry, my assistant bike. Sorry. No road, no house, jungly jaguars. English, Hindi one but nala. Okay. Leopards, leopards. The tigers in this area. Very dangerous. And Manu bro collecting the sunshine hunts.
It's unlimited, bro.
Yeah, okay.
Next, that one tree also is there.
Yeah, okay. That one tree is very nearby trees. That is also very full of. Yeah, yes. Oh, bunch of trees.
We are totally excited.
Beautiful. Okay. Beautiful. How's the taste, bro? Yeah. Yeah.
In the Dr. Rajkumar films,
Yeah.
one dialogue.
Yeah. Which dialogue? Huli Preeti. I don't hear that dialect from Rajkumar.
It's a retro film. You don't see that right now.
Okay. Then just a start. We walking in the miles and the miles of the deep forest. We never see the living creatures of human being in this place. No one can live because the wild animals are very strong and very aggressive. So we are in the deep of the forest.
Now we find a big bunch of kauli hannu.
Okay. Finally we found another session of collecting the kaulihan. It's very tasty, delicious. Yeah.
Lots of fruits are sunburns.
Yeah, sunburns. Now this much of fruits we collected in this place, and the green one is very huli. Yeah, that's not. But black one is sweety and meaty. Watch, see, this is a direct sunlight of this place. Yeah, very hot.
Oh,
Hot bislo, yes. Wow. What we say? No river. What?
rivers.
Yes, they are nearby the miles of miles, 50 miles, no rivers, no wells. Yeah, human being never leaving this place in decades of centuries. No one can. I don't know what is the proper reason, but finally me and you, you and me in this place. We've been hunting for Kauli Hunt. Yeah,
Still, it's a dangerous place.
Yeah.
In the old days, they are. What is ಹುಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು?
body, okay. The burning the body of some peoples, the tribals peoples are came and burned the body of dead peoples.
Dynasty of Banavasi
Yeah.
Kadambas. That's why those days are burning place.
Okay. That kind of centuries, that Banavasi. I don't know what is the Banavasi. I'm come from London, so I don't know about the Banavasi. What he said, I don't know. Please comment section. Comment the below section. Enter the comment section.
About that,
What is the Kadamba and Banavasi dynasty? What is I don't know. Please
some people directly tell you
tell.
go to Google and search.
Okay. I don't know I don't that kind of time. So please comment the what is the information about this dynasties. Okay, thank you. And this is a horrible place, and I think I was hearing some creepy noise. I think this place is also filled with the negative. What did they say? Ghost thing. I think creepy sounds. I think 2-3 ghosts are surrounding us. We finally reached the deep of the forest, and Monu bro is hunting some Kauli Hunt. It is never finished because of never ends. The lot of Kaulikas, black and green fruits. Almost.
Kal kg.
Yes, half was Kalkej. What does it mean? You understand what we say? Okay. He's continuing for this hunting some fruits. It never ಸುಸ್ತಾಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ? Okay, never tried. Tired. Okay. Sorry. There's some English words now are not coming my head and mouth. So we are never tried, but sunburn is very hot sun. Okay, thank you. Oh shit. My mother has already told us you go to white and come black. So wearing this one is hat. Yeah, this one is what this called hat is protecting my face from sunburn. Okay, thank you. Let's go to the Monu bro. Okay. Oh, I just start. Okay.
We are already feeling. We go to home right now.
Okay. We go to the home.
We are
Very tired and sweaty. Sweaty.
Already.
Yeah.
Too much
sweaty.
And we are filled, but we can't tie this
Plastic cover.
But we can
Try to hold. Oh yeah.
It's gum.
Natural gum from this tree and fruit. Yeah.
Okay. Let's go, bro.
Let's go. Okay. I think we are listening roaring of cat. Sorry, big cat. Big cat is tiger. Hey, we lost the path of we coming. But we are never forget. Never dar. And ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಏನಂತೆ? Scary. Yeah. We are not scary. Yeah. We forgot the we come the original place, but we can 100% reach the road. We are far away from this human civilization. These particular words are I listen from the National Geography and History channels, and then more impact of Bear Grylls. He's the most ಏನದು famous adventure. Yeah. Oh, okay. We finally were walking for the 4 hours and finally reached the Tar Road, bro. Oh, hey, here. Bro, I think there must be the human in the place. Okay. This is a big deep and oh my god, this is a 120 feet deep. Yeah, it is big deep. Okay.
Where Baker City.
Yeah.
Oh
Oh shit! This is very hot.
Very hot.
Very seat is very hot. Back is burning when I sit. And this curry. Oh shit!
baby. That's what.
Okay, let's go, bro.
Let's go
And
there.
We finish up this vlog here, and we soon meet in next vlog. Thank you.
We finally completed this adventure. Then we go to the house and we see in the next vlogs. Thank you.